Hey everyone, Brandon Nelson, and in 1 minute, I'm gonna show you an automotive safety tool that could save your bacon. We've all done it. You leave the headlights or the dome light on, and even in these modern cars, you go to start the car and nothing. Okay, battery's toast, but if you're a reasonably well-prepared motorist, you have some old school jumper cables. Now you just need another motorist to come along. But what if you're on an adventure and you're alone in the middle of nowhere? There are no other cars to hook up to. What are you gonna do now? You are in luck, my friend. You're just gonna pull out the portable power pack. For about 60 bucks, you get a portable battery pack capable of jump-starting your vehicle on its own. Plus, it has plug-in adapters, a work light, even a USB port. Now, here's how to use it. Just connect the red or positive end to that positive terminal on the battery. Then take the black or negative end and connect it to a mounting bolt. Then just hit the on switch, give that key another twist, and you are back in business. Seriously though, if you take your car where other people aren't, this is very cheap insurance to make sure you don't end up stranded. This has been Brandon Nelson for 1 minute. I'll see you next time.